Hello to all my beautiful people all there. Hope you guys are doing amazing. This is Shruti and today people we are going to learn linkage. How does it do in the sentence? And there are so many things to learn in this lesson. So guys, let us understand what is a linkage. Yeah, meaning a connection between two things, organizations, etc. A connection or the action of connection linking two sentences. Yeah, linkage is nothing but joining the two sentences or relating the two parts of sentences using the conjunctions. It might be coordination conjunction or subordination conjunction. While speaking, it is very useful for linking the sentence for the continuation of the sentences. Yeah, am I right? No. For speaking it is very important. Yeah, this is a linkage. Now let's get into conjunction, a word used to connect clauses or sentences or to coordinate words in the same clauses. Yeah, conjunction also nothing but the action or an intent of two or more events or things occurring at the same point in time and space. This is called the conjunctions. Yeah, now there are three types of conjunction. First one is coordination conjunction, subordination conjunction, and correlation conjunction. First, we are going to see coordination conjunction. Coordination conjunction is also known as coordinators. These conjunction coordinate or join two or more sentences, main clauses, words which are of same synthetic importance. Yes, this is a coordination conjunction. Yeah, coordination conjunction is also known as coordinators. No, a word that connects phrases, sentences, or need to them express more than a single thought, possibility, feeling, or actions. This is called a coordination conjunction. Yeah, do you remember fanboys? We studied in school this fanboys. Yeah, fanboys stands for F for and A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for it, and S for so. Yeah, it should stick in your mind easily enough. No. Yeah. Next, the most used conjunctions are and, so, but. Yeah, the examples are: he walked up and down. She is beautiful but dishonest. He strode quickly and angrily into the room. The PM and the foreign secretary are already in bond. Yeah, here and but are the conjunctions used here. These are the coordinating conjunctions. Now move to subordination. Subordination conjunction is a word or phrase that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. This word or phrase indicates that a clause has informative value to add to the sentence's main idea, signaling a clause and affect relationship for a shift in time and space between the two clauses. Yeah, subordination conjunction is nothing but group of words that contains a subject and a verb that expresses a complete thought. Yeah, here are examples. I always visit Disneyland whenever I visit my grandparents in California. John can enjoy painting now that he has his own studio. Yeah, here whenever and now that are the conjunctions. Now there are two system of factors which are used for subordination. First one is adjectival clauses. An adjectival clause is also known as relative clause. Is an independent clause that modifies a noun or pronoun. It tells which one or what kind. Adjective clause almost always come right after the nouns they modify. Yeah, it is a word that tells more about a noun. Adjective clause. Yeah, this is a adjective clause. Then the adjective clauses begins with relative pronouns including who, whom, whose, that, which, etc. These are the adjective clauses which begins with the relative pronouns. Yeah, next moving to example. Let's see the example. Yeah, come. Mr. Jackson is a teacher who helped me with my max problems. Here, who helped me with my max problems is an adjective clause. It contains the subject who and the verb helped. The clause modifies the noun teacher. Yeah. Now next adverbial. Then adverbial class is a dependent class that functions as an adverb, that is entire class modifies a verb and an adjective and or another Adverb, yeah. Adverbial is also nothing but it is an independent class and a group of words that plays a role of adverb. Yeah, the more the clauses needs a much larger number of functors. They are after, before, since, because, when, as, where, if, until, unless. These are the okay. These are the adverbial clauses. Now move to example. After the storm passed, we went outside to survive the damage. Yeah, in this sentence, the adverbial clause after the storm passed modifies the verb went by showing when the action of the sentence took place. Yeah, this is the example. That's all. That's all, my beautiful people. I hope you understand. Yeah. I hope you understand what is linkage, conjunctions, and type of conjunction. Hope the lesson was fun and learned something new. Thank you.